Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for gold and I'm sure you must have made nice and decent profits last week in the daily Forex forecast videos, in the live streams, and obviously on the basis of my last weekly forex market for cost for gold and the dollar yen. So let's see what we have for the upcoming week, and for that I will be jumping into the charts right now. So let's have a look at the gold US dollar right here. And you will remember what I said last week. I will be starting my analysis from that same point where I have left my weekly analysis last week. So first of all, I'm following this story from way up there. All of the videos are available on my channel. You can have a look at them. I spend a lot of time and effort on these videos, and they are equal of equal importance to all of you on a later date as well for education. So I will highly recommend to have a look at those videos and try to learn something from that, and it is especially useful for those who are joining my channel now. So last week what I said about gold, obviously we had got support from almost like one, and this is the second week. And last week the candle closed not very bullish, but still it was bearish compared to the previous ones. And I have discussed it last week. I clearly have told you that this candle is no doubt showing sort of like a further down move, but it is also bullish and it will be going back up. So on the basis of that, then obviously since this is a nice impulsive wave with me on the weekly basis, and this impulsive wave will be pointing towards 2021.63. Let me tell you one thing very clearly, and that is this is a clear support, and it has been validated. So all of the analysis I'm going to do for the weekly traders is based on this support and this resistance. At this resistance, the current situation I want to tell you is that at the resistance 2021, I am any type of trade I'm going to take as a buy from here. My ultimate take profit zone will be 2021.63. Now this is the same impulsive wave, just like the euro dollar. We have got it pound dollar. We have seen that yesterday. I discussed it as well. So if you see, it already completed its 61.8% retracement. And the gold, if we see, in 2 weeks it just moved around. In 1 week it moved a total move of around 344 pips of range, I should say. It will be, I have a lot of educational videos in the process regarding ranges, support and resistance levels, taking entries, how to exit, how to trade management, how to risk management, etc. A lot of the topics I have shortlisted for myself. So obviously, no doubt, it is clearly bullish. And last week there was a trade setup I gave, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and let me show you this. This is the previous week end, and this is the recent week end. Okay, this is from where the week ended on 6th June 2023, and this is after that from 5th till 9th. Like this is the 5 June, 6 June, 7, 8, and this is the 9th June finally. So if I switch back and if I show you what trade setup I gave you last week, the problem is you guys don't watch the videos completely, so due to that you miss some of the important levels. So a buy from right here was suggested from 1952. This is the impulsive wave. It was the impulsive wave with us, and this is the 61 of it, and the market gave a little bit of false break below, because obviously the stop was below this zone, so it went very nicely. Now this particular trade setup will be showing me an ABCD pattern, and obviously last week I have clearly mentioned that leave the market on this impulsive wave. Let me show you. At that time market was right here, so I said market is dropping towards 61.8 like this, right? From here a buy was suggested. Obviously the take profit zone is way too much up, but a weekly target, all of you know, from here till this 61, so 204 pips, and it gave, and still I see it's going up, but it doesn't mean I have spotted it will be going up. I have to now find out enough evidences that okay, this plan is working. First of all, I have to readjust these lines a little bit, because market obviously fell down a little bit than expected, so I have to readjust like this, and this is now my support, right? This is the previous support. Now let's see, let's delete this Fibonacci as well, and just have a look at this one. Current market situation is market stopped at the previous 61.8% retracement right here. So overall this is now obviously a range, and on the H1 there is a setup, and that setup is a nice another nice buy from 1952 in the upcoming week, and the market this time will be going back up towards, let's complete this pattern, and now let's see. This was completing right here, and this one is completing right here. So this is the weekly setup. Now let's see if it will be working or not. Since like the first week, the initial week, we have got a very nice uh, up wave, right? From here we have made last week, this was the initial one, and this was the second, the top target, and this was the weekly target. So the weekly already have got around 350 pips from it. Then we have got a very clear validation zone. Let's delete this. So a very nice validation zone, and again this consolidation seems like it will be ranging a little bit in this zone, then finally it will be going back up. And if I talk to you about my long-term analysis, the long-term analysis is definitely 2021.63, a bit of long-term levels I should say, but still it will be working. Now in order for this price action and this patterns to work towards 2021, it may not be doing that most probably in this upcoming week. We have also fundamental news, strong ones for it as well, FOMC and the interest rate decisions, but still I think market will be completely bullish if I get a weekly close above 1989 and 1985, somewhere this zone. If I get a breakout, a retest, then I will be taking a further bullish trade. If all of you are with me bullish for long term from here, uh, and you are looking for 2021 as a long term, 906 pips has gone nowhere, and also around how much stop loss for this one. I think we should move stop to break even, so at least from this side we should be clear enough. So in the upcoming week, at the moment, since I have no the markets are closed and I have no exact data about the market, but if I see this, this plan will be giving us 319 pips with 211 pips of stop loss, or 307 pips. So this is one pullback. If you can catch it towards 2021, still that will be a nice one. With just 283 pips, if you can generate 717 pips, that is still more than enough, right? And market has to do this correction on the daily. If you see, market stopped right here and it will be going up. Maybe it can spike up there on the news or something, but it has to be completing this zone. If not, if it gives us a break below on the weekly, if let's say in the upcoming week, that's starting from tomorrow, if the market drops below 1930 and the week closes on Friday, the week closes below this, then keep in mind that my analysis will then be something else. But at the moment, this seems a very nice trading opportunity in my opinion. And obviously you can practice it on any account you want. Practice account I recommend usually. So practice account can be a smaller real $50 of account, smaller one, or it can be a demo account. But you can see the disclaimer up there. I don't recommend, like this is I'm speaking in public, so obviously in public I cannot say, hey buy this, hey buy this, it's going up there, it's going up there. So I don't feel very good if someone thinks about me that way, and I'm also not in favor of that. So I give my analysis to all of you, so that maybe somehow someone of you out there may be stuck somewhere, maybe need a level. So I give you these levels so that you can, let's say, you can get an idea about the market. You can take your decisions on a better time frames, on a better times, I should say, timely entries. And also in my live streams and the daily forex forecast videos that I do regularly, and in those videos what I do usually is I mainly focuses on the daily traders who are, I'm sad for them as well. They are because stuck somewhere. No one is telling them very good way of trading into the market. So I Monday to Friday live stream and usually upload one or maybe two videos a day, the recorded ones, in which I give you all of this knowledge. So if you have time, I will recommend to learn all of these things. These are like you can say the skill that you are learning right here is will be forever and ever. So this is the goal plan. Now let's see the dollar yen. And dollar yen obviously moved very nicely. Since I look dollar and yen, gold and yen together in correlation with each other, that's why I have moved the USD JPY analysis and the gold US dollar together, so that all of you get a very clear idea about the market. Just like have a look at this daily or maybe weekly. Just like I said, let's see this on the daily because the chart is a bit more clean there. This 61.8 there, I did, let's delete these lines for now. Like this gold US dollar, if we see, it's 61.8 is way up there, 2021 2022, right? But what the dollar yen is doing is it already completed that 142. And just like last week I have said 1 2 3 4 5 that you can take this trade. Let me first add and a line right here, 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the last weekly candle closed right here on 2nd June. So now let's see on the H4. What I said is that there is a very nice opportunity, and that opportunity will be a buy right here at this 61.8% retracement. No doubt it worked very well for 105 pips, but obviously for the long term I was looking for this. Now there is something very special. It has been not yet rejected by the price, and there is something I want to talk to you about. Since long-term traders took buy positions from here right till here, 286 pips of take profit, market tried to stop right here. No doubt the trade gave good profits, 105 pips on a weekly basis, more than enough. But there is one problem, and dollar yen whenever stuck into a triangle, it start to slow down. I mean every pair slow down, but this one specifically gives me some highly accurate trades on the uh, on the triangle pattern. So obviously this is now completed and some sell opportunity has already been spotted. So in this upcoming week I will remain bearish, and I will remain bearish on the dollar yen. So let's see. One trade setup I have right here, and that is obviously this one, a bounce from 61.8% retracement, and that is clearly showing me a break below the trend line and the triangle, and then a downward rally will be waiting for us. So dollar yen, this is it, what it's giving me. The take profit zone will be 138.206. if we see this, it has it became a nice support once right here, and right here if we see as well, nice level. So overall a very nice level is expected. I will be cleaning the chart a little bit so that you can understand it very nicely. I don't need this level anymore. I also don't need well, let's see, let's add a line there so that I later remember. Okay, it's good. So overall price action and the candlesticks and all of these things suggest me a very nice down move for almost how much pips, let me count the number of pips, 139 pips, with a stop loss of just 81 pips. So all of the bears most probably it will be trying to retest this trend line. So even if you can take a sell from there, the profit can increase by 182 pips, and the stop will decrease by 30 pips further. But the more you wait for the market, the better trade opportunities you get. This was the analysis. Now I want to talk to you about a very important concept, and that is this weekly candle. Like, this candle is very strong. The candle that closed on 2nd June 2023, this candle that closed on 9th June 2023, it closed bullish, but next week most probably it will be trapping the traders to take buy trades, so later they can jump and sell it most probably on the fundamental activity. Silver US dollar, I have, yes, I have discussed it last week. Now let's have a look at the US 30. US 30, still this long term 26,372.94 level is like it remains, and I have to see what it's going to do. If this trend line is broken to the top side, I will definitely be uh, then discussing it. For now I get one request for an analysis of let's see my comments, who asked me, just give me one moment. So uh, one of my follower, my subscriber Yasir Jamil 6575, if you are watching this video, you said you are stuck on euro AUD. So okay, you have took a buy trade from somewhere most probably. So let's see euro AUD as well, because obviously the purpose of this channel is to help all of the traders. So I have got a comment, so why not euro AUD? Yes, euro AUD. So let's have a look at this quickly. I will be analyzing it to give you some better image of the market, Yasir brother. Any one of you watching me now, if you have stuck trades or something like that, please do let me know about that. Oh, what kind of weekly market was that? Euro AUD. My friend, first of all, if we see, since I'm analyzing it for the first time, so let's see. I was planning to make a separate video about it, but let's see. Well, Euro AUD at the weekly suggest a drop till 1.53070, and it has been rejected from this resistance. Obviously we have now this nice impulsive wave. Perfect. Now what's next? Next is to have a look at the daily, and on the daily, if you see, approximately from 61.8 the market took a bounce. So there is one ABCD pattern. Let's see if that is completed or not. This pattern will complete right here. So as per the Fibonacci, this will then be the zone. Let's see this 61.8, and I'm going to show you the gold right here on the daily. That was on the daily as well. Even if you see it right here, let's see, let me show you. Okay, this is a very good concept here. So same setup is that we found on gold US dollar from 14th March 2022 till 14th April 2022. Same setup I'm going to see right here on the daily time frame of Euro AUD. For long term, I can say it may be coming back down, but since I'm not sure from where you have a buy stuck from, but since this is an impulsive wave, and I can expect that from here, if we get enough evidence, we can go back towards 1.64497. So let's say if you have a trade stuck from there, you can close it and take a sell trade from there, and target for this one. A very nice trade opportunity it will be. Let's see. And obviously a very nice pattern as well. So overall, this is what the Euro AUD tells me, Yasir. If you have equity, more trades can be added from here. I will be closely observing it, and let's see what we get out of it in the upcoming week. So my friends, try to always wait for the market. This is a very killer market. Without understanding, if you jump in it, I have doubts that you may suffer from losses. So my well wishes will be always with you, and I hope you will support my channel, because all of this stuff I'm doing is for you. So if you are supporting me, you give me the watch time, I give you the analysis. I have the skill, you have time, you want to grow your account, so I think this is a perfect combo. Thank you so much everyone for being with me. I will see you next time. Till then, I pray for you, you pray for me. Goodbye.